I accidentally put any of my skincare, I just used the remaining on my whole body. Okay? That's true guys, kasi ganun din naman yung ginagawa ko pag nag-excess ako sa aking sunscreen. I'm using this one from Fairy Skin. This is my OG sunscreen ever. I'm going to show you kung paano yung sinasabi niyang excess. So I'm just going to apply sunscreen. Don't worry guys if marami yung nalagay niyong sunscreen kasi it's totally fine. And I don't get people na sinasabi pag too much sunscreen sa face and it's harmful. I don't know. Yeah, going back, I'm going to apply this sunscreen. Kapag may nakikita kayong sobrang ganyan, pwede nyo siyang idamay dito sa inyong neck. Kasi talaga namang advisable to put sunscreen also on your neck. And itong sunscreen na to is walang white cast. Meron lang siyang tone-up effect, kaya don't worry if ganyan yung itsura niya. Ito na siya guys. So ayan, kapag na-apply nyo na siya, ganyan yung kanyang finish. Super ganda. Ayun, kung meron kayong excess or napasobra yung lagay nyo, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa neck, sa back of your ears, pwede din sa arms. Kasi itong premium brightening sunscreen nila is pwede din naman sa body. So, yun lang.